Hey gearheads, welcome to our channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your home garage, having the right basic auto mechanic tools can make car maintenance faster, safer, and more enjoyable. In this video, we'll walk through the must-have tools every beginner should own. Let's get started. First on the list, a good socket set. This is essential for loosening and tightening bolts on almost every part of your car. Choose a set that includes both metric and standard sizes, plus an extension bar for hard-to-reach spots. Next, a combination wrench set. These are perfect for tight spaces where a socket wrench might not fit. Make sure you have a full range of sizes for flexibility. Don't forget pliers and screwdrivers. Needle nose pliers help with precision work, while flathead and Phillips screwdrivers are essential for removing screws and clips. For any job underneath the car, you'll need a hydraulic jack and jack stands. Never rely on the jack alone. Jack stands are critical for safety. A torque wrench ensures bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. This is especially important for wheel lug nuts and engine components. With these basic tools, you'll be ready to tackle most common car repairs and maintenance tasks. Start simple. Learn as you go, and build your tool collection over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more car maintenance tips. Have fun working on your car, and remember, safety first.